Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video on the channel. Today's an awesome one, so we're gonna mix it up with the tutorials. I've got Jack here. He's a new coaching client of mine. We've done one session together and it was amazing. He learned to do a lot in that first session, so I'm pretty sure his goals are to be able to do a bri, yeah? Yeah. He wants to be able to do a bri, so we're gonna get there, but the first thing I'm teaching him over the next couple of weeks is the fundamentals of each ramp at the skate park. So last week we covered the spocks. So we did that one over there last week and he can whip it and bar it. So where I'm gonna start him today is I'm gonna start him off on the spocks. We're gonna see if we can get the whip and bar, maybe progress to a double whip. Then I'm gonna get him to do the same thing over the resi box. Then we'll roll into the bri. So stay tuned for this video, guys. You might learn something and come join me for a coaching session. It'll be sick. All right, let's go. All right, so he's gonna air it first because he just got here. And then we're gonna roll straight into the tail whip. So I want you to be able to tail whip it within 3 shots and then bar spin it within 3 shots, all right? All right, let's see what he's got. All right, he went for the bar spin first. That's 1 attempt. All right, that's not bad because the first time he tried to bar spin this dude, he died. So good progress, I reckon. Get it in 3 shots. All right, in 2, easy work. All right, that's good. That's good, 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 good. All right, let's see if he's got the whip first shot. Oh, dude, that was actually almost it. All right, remember that back foot catch. We're gonna be working on that today. So I'm gonna be teaching him to back foot catch as well because we need it to do it over the resi, yeah? Surely, let's go. Oh! Wait, what'd you do wrong?
Lean back.
Yeah, he's leaning back, dude. So remember what I said in my tutorials, guys, always your chin over the bars and that's gonna help. All right, 3rd shot's a charm, yeah? All right, he's gonna put his chin forward this time. Oh, dude. Guys, a quick tip when you're learning to tail whip a spine is you really gotta have an emphasis on having your chin over the bars. If you don't, it won't work, all right? Push it forward. Much better, see that? See how he was leveled out? Nice and easy, all right? That's chilling. All right, now let's go to the hard part of the lesson. We'll get the hard part out of the way. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna transfer those 2 tricks over the resi box, okay? So this is gonna be a good example of someone actually learning how to do it because Jack has never tricked the box before, have you? Nah. So we tried last week to jump over it and he ended up jumping over it. He's still going a little higher. We're gonna learn to push through first and we're gonna get the bar spin and the tail whip. I think he's gonna struggle a little bit with the tail whip, but I reckon I'm gonna be able to help him. But I reckon the bar spin you've got pretty easy. What do you reckon, yeah? All right, so what we'll do first is I'll stand up there. I want you to jump over it. I want you to get it clean, push through over it, and then we're going straight for the bar spin, all right? His first jump. More speed. For this exercise, I want you to go fast. So I want you to get used to hitting this box at max speed almost, all right? So we can get all the way over it, and then we're gonna throw tricks, yeah? Jump in a box, guys, is just confidence, all right? This box is pretty big. It's close to 3 meters, so we're about 2.5 meters. So it's quite big, and the lip on it is about 5.5 foot, so it shoots you up. I gotta teach the guys to push through, so if anyone's watching this, much better, there we go. I still think you could push a little further. Let's get from there down to the middle. Let's get over the whole thing. Where'd you go from that time?
Like where Carl's standing.
Go back. Let's go back a couple of feet and keep working back until we get all the way over it. All right, he's going a little faster. There we go, much better. Okay, good. You can see that he's got 1 foot off, which is good because he's gonna need that for the bar spin. You ready to chuck a bar spin over it?
Yeah, sure.
Throw it, dude. Even if you're stacked, it's part of the process. Let's get it. All right, first attempt. That's all right, all good. Hey, I can already see you need confidence, yeah? You got to gun at it. Don't be scared to gun at it full speed, all right? Go for it, you'll get over it. All right, another one. Good. All right, not bad at all. All right, you've got the balance, everything's fine. I want you to go all the way back to the back wall and fly at it. It's gonna scare you. I can tell that you're scared of the speed. Don't be. You know how to crash, all right? So get that over and done. It's the same as that. Get the crashing over and done with, then we'll roll through from there. That's it. Good. Yes. All right, he's over. Good. This is a great representation of what it's like to jump a box. You're still being restrictive on your speed a little bit, aren't you? You scared of it? Even if you just take micro doses of getting speed, dude, it'll work better, all right? Yeah. But you just go for 1 as fast as you can. Don't worry about stacking, all right? And see, I promise you that you'll probably get halfway down it, dude, and land 1 foot. Yeah. Just hold on to it, all right? All right, he's gonna push his speed a little bit. That's better, there we go. Good, 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 good. Awesome, there we go. Now it's out of the way. You got your first crash out of the way, all right? That's what it's gonna feel like every time we try a trick over the box now, yeah? Yep. Yo! All right, let's go, come on. That's it. Yeah, dude, let's go. is so good. All right, we got it. First box trick, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Now, we're gonna stay on the bar spin. We're gonna leave the box for a bit because you've been going hard at it. Can you do any air tricks?
I think I've landed with air once.
Okay, good. Now, you have to go on the left side, don't you?
Yeah.
Now, I want you in 5 shots or less to go a little bit over coping, and I want you to do a bar spin air for me. Dude, you can do it. Your bar spins are good, all right? Let's give it 5 shots at that. We've got to roll through all of them, and then we'll go do some bris, all right? Let's go. You reckon you got it?
Yeah.
I reckon you got it. What I usually do with someone like Jack is I break the lesson up into 10-minute segments, and we roll through different parts. Now, Jack's just learned to jump the box with the trick. I'm really happy with that. Took him a few shots, but he got it. Now we're rolling onto the air quarter here, and I'm gonna see if he can take that bar spin and get his first bar spin air over coping, all right? Let's go. All right, here he goes again. Nice. Okay. Now, you gotta clean this up, but jump from one side of it over into the right side. So you're gonna cut an angle when you're jumping over this so you can come over here. If you land over here on this ramp, dude, you're gonna have to turn super sharp and you'll hit this. So try get as close to this as possible. As soon as you get a good one, I want you to throw the bar spin and commit to it first go. Yo, good, 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 good. How was that? Not too bad? All right, dude, I bet you if you commit, it'll be a lot easier. Next shot, just get it and we'll go outside, all right? All right, if he throws this one, he should get it. That's it, that's it. Throw. Yo, there we go, okay. A lot of people, when they come coach with me, they have a specific goal in mind. They always want to like learn a bri or learn something. I always take my students that are in the intermediate level through a session or two where they're working on the fundamentals, because a lot of them don't have the fundamentals down yet. After about the 3rd session, he's gonna have all the fundamentals down to start working on the bri properly and start doing those more advanced tricks. So if you come to a session with me, we get the fundamentals out of the way. I'll teach you everything that you're doing wrong and how to do it right, and then we move on from there. All right, I want him to get this so bad, come on. Yo, let's go, easy work. All right, 2 for 2, easy, yeah? But what Jack's doing now is he's actually, for the last part of the lesson, we're gonna work on his bri. So last week, as I said, he couldn't jump this middle box, but now he can, okay? So I'm gonna film a couple of bris and I'm gonna walk you through what he's doing wrong. So he's a complete beginner at the Briflip. Dude, okay, not bad at all. I heard the coping. So you did that right, yeah? What do you think you did wrong? Turn your bars, yeah? Turn your bars. Everything else is great, yeah? Turn them. So what he's doing now after he jumps this, where we got to last week was he got about here on the ramp just before the coping, and he was jumping from here to there, and he was really struggling. So what I've got him to do now is actually hit the coping and use the coping as leverage to bounce him off, okay? But what he's having trouble with as he's popping out is keeping his bars turned, because he learned to bri the opposite way. So not only is Jack learning to bri for the first time, he's got to undo a lot of bad habits from his past on briing the opposite way. So it's 10 times harder for him right now. So hopefully we can get this around today, and we're going to keep chipping away at it, and I'll film more lessons and walk you through the bri, because I know a lot of you guys want to learn how to do the bri. Yep. Hey, that was a Mac. The thing a lot of kids struggle with when they're learning to bri is they push the bri instead of pulling the bri. The bri is a pull motion, not a pushing motion. So you'll see in a couple of these clips that Jack tries to push the bri away from him. What we're gonna do is pull the bri down towards the ramp. So we hit the coping, we turn our bars, and we pull it down towards our hips and the ramp, and that works perfectly. Turn, yes, there you go. Much better, dude. This time I'm gonna get it in the camera. That would have been really good, but you pulled too early. Let it hit I want to hear the coping. As soon as I hear that coping, dude, I know you're going to pop out. Roll all the way up to the top, then pull. Alrighty guys, we're going to regress a little bit. So I'm going to get him to jump the box and actually air the quarter and hit the coping, all right? So we're going to go back to hitting the coping, then we're going to throw the bri in. Yep. And there you go, dude. That's it. Yes, dude. Way better, that's it. Yes, dude, that's it. Yes. There you go. He's got it, he got it. That was the first time he actually did a bri proper. That was way quicker than I expected. All those tips, guys, in this video are gonna help you so much, all right? He's gonna go one more. If he fuses all that together, he should be able to pull it to 1 foot, all right? Let's go. Come on, one more good one. Yeah, there we go. That's it. Now you're getting it. Did you find that?
That was great.
Dude, you freaking smashed it. Oi, do you feel like you're going to be able to get... I reckon you can get a bri in 7 days from now.
Yeah.
Are you staying here for a little longer?
Yeah.
Are you going to keep practicing that? I want to see, if you get it, can you get your... Who's here, your mum or dad? Get your mum to film that for me, dude.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, bro. That was amazing. I'll upload this, dude. You smashed it, yeah? Alrighty, guys, that's going to finish off our lesson just there with Jack. That was amazing. If you're interested in coming to do a coaching session, head over to my website. Link in the description, dude. I'm so stoked. Teaching the bri is one of my favorite things. So he's finally got a grasp on it, and I'm hoping by next session that we film, he can land 1 foot, or if not land it. He's a pretty fast learner, so I think he can probably get it, yeah? All right, let's get this done, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.